Indian Ceramics Asia 2026 is going to start from tomorrow at Helipad Exhibition Centre. We are ready to welcome you all. India's only B2B exhibition for the ceramics industry. You can visit the show and meet the 300 plus brands.
The German pavilion and the Italian pavilion and the live demo area are coming to life.
From high quality raw materials and advanced machinery to kilns and automation solutions, the full ecosystem will be here.
Running alongside the exhibition is the Innovation Exchange Forum with very high caliber speakers. Our topic will be Ceramics for Tomorrow, sustainable, smart and advanced.
We are ready. See you tomorrow for Indian Ceramics Asia 2026. Welcome.